Teresa Stop My Shoes, and today we are playing Escape the Car Wash, Obby. The manager has gone crazy. We need to escape. You will never escape. Vending machines, yay! Can I get something? It's all boarded up. Okay, let's see what we do here. Which is what? Well, that was easy. Jump on the soap to the other side. Woohoo! Jumping on some soap now. This is a weird car wash. They have soap all over the floor. Anything in here? Collect all coins for a 0 out of 8. Ooh, I got a coin! Bottomless corner. Collect all coins for 1 out of 8 now. Another coin in here! Yay! Is there another one? In here! I'm getting too many coins for my own good. I think I cheated. What did the man say? I will never escape or something? Guess what I just did? Well, that was fun. Interesting. Let's go. Over here. Let's go. What are we going up though? Like the delivery? What? Hello, Galaxy Kitten 01. You look AFK. This is spinning slowly. Go! This is spinning a little faster. This is spinning even faster. Yay! I wonder where we go. Maybe in the vents. Maybe it's a maze. It's amazing. Get it? Maze? Amazing. That wasn't the right way. I think so. I don't know. Come on. Why? I'm so bad at mazes. Add that to the growing list of Roblox Obby things that I can't do. Mazes. I have no idea where I am now. Oh, I think I remember. So, yeah, that's the entrance. Then if we go all the way further over here, I think this is the way now. I saw you could cheat kind of if you, I saw it for a second. It's this way. Is it this way though? Yeah, it is. I got it right. I guess it's not that way. I guess it is that way. Hello? Do you die when you go here? I guess it makes you... Oh, now I'm stuck. I can't go past here. Gotta reset character now. Oof. This is a weird obby. There's a rubber duck in the car wash, and there's some kelp. Another coin. Yay! Did I just get eaten? Looks like we got eaten. Quick, let's find a way out. Oh boy. Let's find a way out of here. I barely died. Why? This goes so much faster without me waiting for anyone. There we go. No coins here, huh? Well, almost touched that laser. That would have been bad. Jump. No. Oh, the lasers don't do anything? Okay, that was just the acid in his stomach. And the undigested food. With all this acid, it seemed like he'd digest his food better. No coins here, say. Where are all the coins? No! Not fair! What is this? Ooh, different games. I might play those. I did it! No coins, no coins. Looking for coins. Why does his spine go straight up like this? That is so weird. No, there's... Oh, I know how to do these. 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 I know how to do... Just keep jumping. Just keep jumping. Yeah. Let's go! I did it! How'd we go from inside person's stomach to inside a car wash? Is this... The man that runs the car wash is the car wash. Jump over the spike to the other side. Why are there spikes in the car wash? It's like a car destruction place. Scrapyard, maybe. I think I see a coin. Yes! A coin. Thank you. Any more coins? Any more coins here? Coins under here? No, okay. What about here? Any coins here? Glitchy door. Coin in here. Yay! Who's here? Let's see. Anything out here? Nothing. Okay. Oh, hello, person. We go over here. Hey, this seems pretty familiar. This looks like it was done before. What video was this in? We do the same exact things as this. Not the exact same, but pretty similar. Was it one of these? No, not a skip stage. One of these. Maybe it was a skip Scrubby. No. That was the locker thing. The giant locker. It got shrunk. I wonder what this one is. Ah! Help! Please. No! You can see all the map things from here. Weird. No! Why do I keep failing on that part? It's so sad. This person keeps failing with me. I'm gonna beat her. Maybe not. Maybe I'm not gonna beat her. But hopefully. Hey. I'm gonna say get out of my way, but I'm pretty much in her way. Any coins around here? No? Okay. Let's see. Always be on the lookout for coins, guys. Be on the lookout for the coins. The sneaky coins. The snacky. The snackiest. Oh, there's a snacky coin right there. That's snacky. Look at this. You can break the map so many times. So many. Okay, any coins over here, say? No, nothing there. What about, you can break the map yet again, almost. Oh, I know how to break it this time. Just do this, then do this. Done, broken, map is broken. You can just go wherever you want now. Just need one more coin. Collect all coins for a what? Okay, what do we do now? Here. Okay. Let's see. Speed running it. Speed run. Oh, that was a good speed run. That was good. Good. Perfect. Oh, you go fast now. Ah! Help! Any coins? Always keep a lookout for the coins. Ooh, over here. Nope, can't go there. No! They said I couldn't escape. Ha ha ha. No! That's so hard. No. Ooh. Yay! The final coin. Wait, collect all coins for what? For an 8 out of 8? Either way, I got packs from here. I got the badge from here. What do I get? Do I get anything in the shop? No. Nothing. What do I get? I don't get anything for my hard work. Why? Oh man, that's a bad deal. Well, yes, have to thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.